in a retention strategy and succession planning, it becomes so important to be able to say, okay, how do I keep this high potential target, this high performer within my organization for the future? How do I do that? And like you said, it is different generationally, I think. Richard, I didn't want to interrupt you there. Feel free to add you.
Your quote is very important. It's interesting that a well thought out leadership development program just coincidentally meets millennial needs. Wasn't it was developed for millennials? It's been around for a long time. It just fits well if it's done well. And there are really three components. Okay, in any I think top notch leadership development program in an organization. One is there has to be an assessment process. There's two levels of that. One is organizationally. We referred to earlier about the strategy mapping to competencies, et cetera. And the other is the individual level where it evolves into an individual development plan. The second thing is the execution and of those individual development plans. And thirdly, with oversight. One of the things I found, I did a large succession planning project for AMN. I finished it over 18 months or a year ago. I was brought back into the organization, and I wanted to find out where were we on the individual development planning and oversight. And unfortunately, I found out that 60% of the people, the 25 original participants, had not had a meeting with their supervisor about their IDP since I left oversight of the program. Yeah. So, having a talent advisory committee, I believe it should be at the top level of an organization, especially if it relates to succession planning for roles. But there has to be oversight and commitment to it, and measurement. Are we getting, what we need, the ROI for all of our investment? Is it helping us drive strategy? Is it retaining people? All of those things that we need to measure. But the assessment piece, the IDP, our development planning piece, and the oversight piece are the three main components of having a great leadership development program.
Richard, you used a word that we haven't addressed, and that is cost, right?